Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. I'm Christian. Then I'm going to show you what's happening right now for the Bitcoin price, because guys, you can clearly see that this symmetrical triangle in the 4-hour time frame that I showed you the last time, it broke to the downside by breaking this $27,500 area, and right now you can clearly see that we are forming here a bear flag. If you are wondering why we saw this big red candle, guys, this happened of course by the FUD of the Binance, the CEO of the Binance, which sued by the CFTC for regulatory violations. On this video, guys, I'm going to analyze you this situation, why this happened, and also I'm going to give you the response of the Binance after this situation that went publicly. And also, guys, we're going to speak for the next price targets and of course the technical price targets of the next Bitcoin move. So if you would like to know all these things, guys, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. Before we continue, I would like you to go on my Twitter and follow me here, guys, because I'm updating you with whatever is happening within a day, and sometimes I'm giving you signals which are imminent moves for the Bitcoin price. So if you would like to be in for the next move, you have to follow me on Twitter. And also, let's smash 100 likes on this video, because with this way you are helping me so much to continue this journey. And with your very simple process of daily like, daily comments, share your friends, share your social media, you're actually helping me so much, and appreciate you for this help support from the bottom of my heart. So let's begin, guys, to our analysis. Here we have this symmetrical triangle, as we can clearly see, which already broke out. And if you remember, I had gave you the technical price target of this symmetrical triangle in my previous videos, and I told you that if we're gonna break to the upside, we're gonna get to the most crucial resistance, which is the $30,000 area. And if you remember, this resistance, guys, is actually the previous support of the bull run of 2021. And if we're gonna actually surpass this resistance and stay above it, then obviously it's gonna be the beginning of the bull run. But we saw exactly the opposite. We saw this big drop to the downside, and to remind you, we had here technical price target due to the reason that we broke to the downside, the $25,200, which also is a crucial support for the Bitcoin price right now, because if you remember, this $25,200 was very strong support for the Bitcoin price, and we had retested for numerous of times. In the time that we broke it, we actually went into a higher price, which was close to $29,000. So someone can say here that because of this bear flag in the 4-hour time frame, that we have lots of chances to see another leg down. And guys, there is huge probability to play this scenario right now after this massive broke of this support. And if you check on the 1-hour time frame, here we had a beautiful formation of a bear flag. As you can clearly see by here, you're gonna notice that we had here a formation of a bear flag. We broke it at that point. We went back to retest it, to retest the support as a resistance, and right now it seems that there is huge potential scenario to get into a lower price by this kind of retracement. And I'm gonna give you the technical price target, guys, of this 1-hour time frame bear flag, and you're gonna notice that we have technical price target close to $25,900, and also on the 4-hour time frame it's almost the same technical price target. But with a first glance in the 4-hour time frame, right now is forming more perfectly as the hours passed. You can clearly see that here we have a beautiful formation of a bear flag, and you're gonna see a massive red candle breaking the support of $26,800 and staying of course above it. Then obviously it's gonna be a confirmation of the breakout on this bear flag. So technically right now it's a smaller time frame. It seems that we're gonna get into a lower price, and of course, guys, this began with the Binance and the CEO, which sued by CFTC for regulatory violations. You can clearly see the major cryptocurrency exchange Binance executives, including the CEO and the founder Changpeng Zhao, have been sued by U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission for regulatory violation, according to a court filing on Monday. This happened yesterday, guys, and I had updated you about that on my Twitter. This is why it is important to have a follow on my Twitter. Binance, the world crypto exchange, had from at least July 2019 to present offered executed commodity derivatives transactions on behalf of U.S. persons. In a violation of U.S. law, the CFTC said it's complained. Guys, to be honest with you, this has to do with the Binance US. And if you ask my opinion, I don't believe this is something to worry about, that Binance gonna shut down or whatsoever. I don't believe this is gonna play any kind of role, and I believe this situation is gonna lead into a settlement. I don't believe that it's gonna affect the price of the Bitcoin or of the crypto market. And also we have the Binance, which responded to that CFTC situation. We can clearly see that Binance responding to being sued by CFTC. It will continue to cooperate with regulators in the United States and around the world. So it seems that Binance didn't got bothered at all after this suit, and they're gonna continue the same thing that was doing before. And actually the response was said that the complaint filed by the CFTC is unexpected and disappointing, as we have been working collaboratively with the CFTC for more than 2 years. Nevertheless, we intended to continue to collaborate with regulators in the US and around the world. The best path forward is to protect our users, to collaborate with regulators to develop a clear and thoughtful regulatory regime. So you can understand that Binance didn't got bothered at all about this suit. And to be honest with you guys, this has nothing to do with any kind of affection on the crypto market. And that, of course, obviously, a small dam like that, it's only by FUD and nothing more than that. And if you actually count this kind of a dam, it's not something crazy. It was 3%. So you can clearly understand that right now nothing can manipulate the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is really strong right now, and the good thing of all that corrupted system, guys, is that people start untrusting the bank system, the government system, and start trusting the Bitcoin and the crypto space, which is something very revolutionizing. So from technical side, we are heading probably to $25,200. But the most important thing at this time, guys, is how we're gonna react at this $25,200. Because if you remember my words, as we remain on this area, which is the $25,200 within $30,000. Personally, I remain neutral. I'm waiting for confirmation, so I don't have direction. It can happen absolutely everything. The only manipulation that Bitcoin right now gets is by news, fundamentals. So I'm waiting for confirmations to see if we're gonna actually break this $30,000 and I'm gonna become really bullish, or we're gonna break this $25,200, so I will become bearish. And until then, I'm remain still neutral. I'm waiting because, guys, there is massive potential to come back to this $25,200 to retest and bounce straight to $30,000. So that's why I'm waiting for confirmations. Otherwise, I'm gonna stay neutral. Okay, and the confirmation is the two scenarios that I told you. If we're gonna break the $25,200, I'm gonna be bearish. If we're gonna break the $30,000 and stay above it, I'm gonna become super bullish, and it's gonna be actually the beginning of the bull run in some way. Of course, the real bull run is gonna happen close to 2024 at the end with the 2025, but it is what it is, guys. And if we're gonna see if we're gonna start increasing very slowly the numbers, it's something like we are jumping very slowly into the bull run. This is what I believe. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know down below in the comment section if you have any question. And I will see you in my next video with fresh updates. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.